Make everyone stand on, press that button. Okay, now let's... Welcome to Dad Does. You have been watching the Hot Wheels RC Terrain Twister. As you see, a very cool RC vehicle which drives in basically anything. Even the snow, water, grass, pavement. Actually, the rougher the surface, the better it goes. And that's because it doesn't have wheels, it has these. Let's take a closer look. Alright, we flipped it over so you can see, and I'm going to get it going here. And as you see, these torpedo-like twisters here, which have these ridges on them, allow it to dig in and go through pretty much any terrain. As we showed, you can go over sticks, you can go on the grass, you can go on pavement, you could go on sand, you could even go in the water. And theoretically, you can go in the snow, although it's summer, so we don't have that. And taking a quick look at the remote here, you've got two different controls, and this kind of gives you an up, down, left, right. This is what actually moves these angles, these up or down, which gives you a different control, allows you to do some different tricks. It is a little bit hard to drive straight. That's the funny thing. Side to side is easier. And it's not the most accurate of vehicles you're going to drive around, but it's really about having fun, creating obstacle courses, jumping over things, or crashing through things, I should say. And the fact that it's waterproof means that you can play with it in any weather. Alright, we just like doing that. So there you have it, the Hot Wheels RC Terrain Twister. And come on over to daddoes.com. We're going to have a full review, a lot more on the specs. There is one major downside, and that is the charging time. First time you charge this up, actually first 2 times, 5.5 hour charge time. You get about 20 to 30 minutes of drive time. After that, only takes 4 hours to charge. But for some, that's going to be a major negative, having to wait for this thing to charge up. But once it does, you get a lot of power, a lot of fun. Like we said, we'll have all of the specs, all the information over on Dad Does. Come on over for the full review.